Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen staple that can truly elevate your cooking game, the Made in Cookware 3-piece stainless frying pan set. This set includes an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch frying pan, offering a versatile range for everything from a quick omelet to searing a steak. First impressions are crucial, and these pans deliver. Crafted in Italy, they boast a premium feel that immediately tells you this isn't your average cookware. The core of their performance lies in their 5-ply stainless clad construction. What does that mean for you? It means superior heat distribution. Unlike single-layer pans that can develop hot spots, these pans heat up evenly and respond quickly to temperature changes. This is absolutely vital for consistent cooking results, preventing burnt edges while other parts remain undercooked. Whether you're delicate with a sauce or need high heat for a perfect sear, this pan's responsiveness is a game changer. The versatility highlighted in their features is no exaggeration. These are essential for any kitchen. The 8-inch is perfect for single servings, eggs, or small sautéed items. The 10-inch is your everyday workhorse for a variety of tasks, and the 12-inch is ideal for family meals, larger portions, or when you need more surface area for browning. This set covers most of your pan frying needs right out of the box. A detail that often gets overlooked but is crucial for user experience is the handle. Made In has meticulously crafted these handles to stay cool while cooking. This is a thoughtful design choice that contributes significantly to safety and comfort in the kitchen. They are securely fastened with stainless steel rivets, promising a lifetime of use. This speaks to the durability and quality of the entire construction. You can feel confident that these pans are built to last. Another significant advantage, especially for those with modern kitchens, is the induction cooktop compatibility. The inclusion of a top layer of 430 stainless steel ensures these pans work effortlessly with any cooktop, including induction. This broad compatibility makes them a practical choice for a wide range of home cooks. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are significant. The 5-ply construction leads to exceptional heat distribution and responsiveness, which translates directly to better cooking. The build quality is superb, feeling professional and durable. The Stay Cool handles are a thoughtful touch for safety and ease of use. The inclusion of 3 essential sizes in one set provides excellent value and immediate utility. Finally, the craftsmanship and origin in Italy add to their appeal as a high-quality, well-made product. On the flip side, like most premium cookware, these stainless steel pans do require a bit of a learning curve for those accustomed to non-stick surfaces. Achieving true non-stick results requires proper preheating and the right amount of fat. They can also be heavier than lighter gauge pans, which might be a consideration for some users. While durable, they aren't indestructible, and aggressive scraping can still damage the surface, though the stainless steel is far more resilient than non-stick coatings. The price point is also an investment, reflecting the quality of materials and construction. In conclusion, the Made in Cookware 3-piece stainless frying pan set is a superb investment for anyone serious about cooking. The combination of excellent heat performance, durable construction, thoughtful design, and versatile sizing makes these pans a joy to use and a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're looking to upgrade your cookware and experience the difference that quality makes, these are definitely worth considering. Link in the description.